In the beating heart of Africa lies Burundi. Boasting a mild climate, Burundi offers its visitors a rich variety of attractions. Its legendary Lake Tanganyika, its splendid bird lakes, its mountains and valleys, wild savannas, and enigmatic forests. This is captivating Burundi, the heart of Africa, land of sacred drums, and a haven for authentic African cultures. Bujumbura, Burundi's capital city, an ideal destination for relaxation. Take a stroll along the shores of Lake Tanganyika and savor the beauty of the coast. Just steps from the hotels lies a beautiful golf course, and equestrian trails offer an escape right in the city. Basket weaving, sculpture, arts and craft markets, also in the heart of the city. Bujumbura showcases Burundi's many artistic talents. Just 15 minutes from downtown, do not miss the Rusizi Natural Reserve with its unique landscapes. Amusingly, the hippos in the Rusizi Delta enjoy not only the tender caress of water, but also the company of thousands of birds. A true inland sea, the legendary Lake Tanganyika offers a place to escape and dream. The shimmering surface is an ever-changing tableau, bursting with color at sunset, while pristine beaches invite relaxation. Continuing your journey, the scenery changes with every turn. From mountain to valley, to lush greenery and quaint village, this land of 1,001 hills will not fail to impress you with its contrasts. In the north, perched at 1,420 meters, Lake Gwihinda, also called the Lake of Birds, generously lavishes its natural treasures and invites you to explore it. Kibera, the land of the famous chimpanzees. There is nothing quite like immersing yourself in the exceptional ecosystem this park offers. Chimpanzees, towering ancient sun-dappled trees, astonishing waterfalls, and the sources of Burundi's great rivers await you. Welcome to the Northeast and the National Park of Ruvubu, the largest protected ecosystem in the country with over 50,000 hectares. Located in the last remaining untouched wilderness, this unique park is inhabited by a variety of wildlife: buffalo, antelope, monkeys, and hippo all share this peaceful territory. Southeast, discover a unique geological structure, the Fault of Nyakazu, also known as the German Fault. Since the dawn of time, Burundians have celebrated life. The arts, sacred drums, and traditional dances reflect an immense cultural wealth and the promise of an unforgettable experience for those who want to discover the ancient cultures of Burundi. The famous drummers of Gishora, known worldwide, represent the heart of the culture that beats at the center of this country. In this enchanting setting, you will discover inside the traditional enclosures the circular huts built entirely of wood, which is bent and covered with thatch. The legendary hospitality of Burundi begins with an offering of the traditional beer made from sorghum, millet, or bananas. Visit Burundi. Be transported by the authenticity, sun, hospitality, wellness, and culture. The recipe for a unique journey into this warm, living heart of Africa. In the beating heart of Africa lies Burundi. Boasting a mild climate, Burundi offers its visitors a rich variety of attractions. Its legendary Lake Tanganyika, its splendid bird lakes, its mountains and valleys, wild savannas, and enigmatic forests. This is captivating Burundi, the heart of Africa, land of sacred drums, and a haven for authentic African cultures.